In this video, I am going to show you how to do the printhead cleaning of your Epson EcoTank ET-3830. There are two ways to do the printhead cleaning. One is doing the auto printhead that we will do using the display panel, and it will fix many issues regarding your printer not printing black ink or not printing the color ink. In case that doesn't work, then you can go for the manual printhead cleaning, and for that you can watch my other video. So let's do the printhead cleaning using the printer display panel. Make sure you have loaded the paper in the paper tray. On the display panel, click on the home button and then scroll ahead and look for maintenance. Scroll down, select printhead cleaning and press OK. Click on the start. It's going to take around 3 minutes, so wait for that. Let's check the print result. Check if your lines on the printout are good or not and select the correct option. So I can see all the lines are clearly showing up here, so press this button OK, and this will finish the printhead cleaning. In case your lines are not complete, they are broken, again you can do the printhead cleaning and to improve the print quality. That's the basic printhead cleaning using the printer's inbuilt feature. This will fix many printing issues. Thanks for watching.